What are the differences in learning skiing and snowboarding? That is what I'm here to talk to you about. Where did each of them start out originally? Skiing. Skiing started as modes of transportation and survival, not thrill. They were made to cross frozen bodies of water and to quickly chase food while hunting. Next use was for military. The Norwegian army held competitions for people to ski down mountains and shoot at the same exact time. Last and current use for this sport are just people going down the mountain for fun. Snowboarding. In winter in Michigan, one man made a board for his daughter to go on a hill behind their house. He attached two skis together, put some pads up a feed stick, and a rope at the nose. Thus, the snowboard was born. 1979, at a competition, one man entered his own board with bindings for his feet. He was put in his own division because his board was different, forever changed the sport. What are the differences in stopping for each? Skiing. In skiing, there are two ways to stop. The first is called the snowplow. This is where you make a V shape with your skis opening up facing down the hill. Then you make your skis parallel to keep going, otherwise known as French fries and pizza. Second way is when you turn your skis sideways and quickly stop. It's more efficient when you want to keep your speed. Snowboarding. There are two main ways to stop in snowboarding. First is called heel slide. This is where you are facing down the hill and your board is sideways. You have your weight on your heels and slowly press down your toes to go down. Second way is toe slide. It's where you have your back facing down the mountain and your board is again sideways. You have your weight on your toes, and this time you slowly lift up on your heels. What are the moves needed to efficiently do each? Skiing. In skiing, you want to have short turns to maximize efficiency on your speed. Make sure you use your legs and not your body to turn your skis. Also, go for the powder, not the ice. Make your path through the snow to find new edges to get through. Snowboarding. Again, you also want to find powder as well because you have the ability to make curves and really cool moves. Also, make your own tracks to get a better ride down the mountain. Your eyes are also going to show you where you're going, so always look where you want to go. And lastly, try to go down to the mountain where fresh snow will be there. Now, how does this relate to my essential question? Well, first of all, when we look at the three things that we talked about, where each of them started, skiing was made a long time ago, snowboarding pretty recently, so skiing was around a lot longer and people have been doing it longer, but for different reasons. Snowboarding has always been for thrill. For skiing, in stopping, skiing has been a more efficient way to stop quicker, but snowboarding is easier in the long run. So it's going to be easier in the long run for snowboarding if you want to give that a shot, but skiing is going to be quicker and easier to learn. And lastly, when we talked about moves, the moves needed for skiing and snowboarding are relatively the same, things that you're going to want to do. But differences are snowboarding, yes, you're going to want to lead with your eyes. That is the most important thing, snowboarding. And skiing, definitely wanting to have shorter turns to maximize efficiency. Thank you.